Hi everybody, welcome in today's video. I am Divya and today I am up with a video on comparison between an online shopping website and a local market nearby. So I'm going to make a series of videos on this. Today I have thought of comparing Myntra and Kamla Nagar market, and we'll just like look for few stuffs from the website of Myntra, and we'll just try and find those similar products in the market, and then we'll compare the quality, the fit, the price and other stuffs to compare the products. So for online I'll show you a picture over here, and for the things which I have bought I'll show you their images, those pictures, and I'll wear it and show you, and then I'll talk about the specification, price and all, and let's see how it goes, like which is cheaper and which is comfortable, because comfort comes more than price, right? So we'll just compare both the things and find out that are these stuffs in market available as good as those shown in online purchase. So these shops or these markets which we are going to explore in the coming videos, and also the one from which I have shopped today, those are very local market, it is sold by local vendors, and it is not a shop or nothing like a mall or anything like that. It's basic street market. So let's get started through the video and find out that how this experiment has come out. So the first item which I have bought is this pair of white shorts. It's comfortable and it looks amazing, and it costed me only 200 rupees. So you can see the fit is amazing, and it's in cotton material, not the denim one or some other material. So it's very comfy and very nice. I love it. Like, I didn't expected this good quality, and it only costed me 200 rupees. Fit and all is very good. And behind this I'll share a story. Actually I bought a shorts from Myntra a few days back, and then I had to return it because exchange was not available. Since when I shopped, this size was not available. It was not available in my size, so I went for a one size up product, and then when the product came, it was too loose, like very loose. There was no chance of getting it altered and bring it to my size. So instead of doing those things, I just thought of doing an exchange, because later my size was available. But then when I went for that, then they said that exchange is not available, you need to return this and place another order. So I just thought of not giving it a try, because I didn't needed the shorts very urgently at that time, so I just didn't did that. But now I got this wonderful shorts in just 200 rupees, and they are amazing and they have very comfortable fit. And on Myntra it was something around 600, I guess. So I'll just share one good shorts of this length which is available on Myntra. I'll attach a screenshot over here. So let me know in the comments which was your favorite product, or would you like to shop from a local market or go for online shopping, since these local markets are available at a particular place. And now currently I'm in Delhi, so I can say that yes, in Delhi we have such market, but in your city or in your place where you live, you also need to find and explore these places. Yes, you need to spend some time, some energy. And for online shopping, you can just sit at your place and do it. So why not do some work and find good stuffs for yourself? I love this, and this is amazing. I would give it 10 out of 10. It's too good. So for the second product, which is this tube top, I was looking for a bright color tube top, so that when I'm indoors I can just wear them like this, and if I'm going somewhere out I can just throw a jacket or a shrug or a oversized shirt on this and can go easily. So this tube top costed me 100 rupees only, and if I go and compare it with the online shops, at least would get that somewhere in not less than 200 rupees obviously. So I'll just try and share some similar image and similar, I have seen some similar actually product on Myntra, so I'll just share the screenshot of that, and I hope this is good because the fit is good. everything is good, like it's not very loose or something like that, and the fabric is also very nice, and it's not like too stretchy. That at times this happens that whenever we go for such tank tops or tube tops which are of very low price, so it tends to get like very loose after a few wash or few wear. So I don't feel like this, because since when you see those like if you'll stretch it, it will stretch a lot. So this thing is not happening with this. Let's see and how it goes further, but for now it's good, and I would give it 8 out of 10. So the product is very nice. And for for my third product, I have bought a black shirt to just throw over this. I'll show you. This is my third purchase, which is this black shirt, and this is it has a knot which can we can make a knot at the top if you want, but I'll not want it, so maybe I'll keep it like this. It's attached, or maybe I'll cut it later. So this can be styled in multiple ways. We can wear it like a shrug. It looks too cool, and I have created one whole outfit from whatever I have bought today. And if you don't want to just keep it open, then you can button it up and wear it as a shirt with your multiple color pants. And it can also be worn in a formal way, and for casual look you can just button it down and wear it like this. And this was in 100 rupees only, and it's in cotton material, no fancy stuffs, no fancy material, and it's entirely black, and it looks too good, and I am very satisfied. And I'll just wear it with a button up way, so that I can see what's the fit if I go for a button up detail. I can just tuck it in and wear it with formal pant, or even with jeans, it would look good. Yes, so it's can also create a knot at the top, and it looks quite good since it's a little bit oversized, so I can also style it in different multiple ways. It's nice. Yes, the fit is also good. It has 3 buttons in the cuffs, 3 buttons at the cuff portion, so it's nice. I would give 9 out of 10. Nice purchase. And also, if you want to go for online shop, you can get this similar shirt, basic black shirt, not less than 500 rupees. And if you'll go for less than that, it would not come in cotton material. Maybe you can get it in polyester, but not in cotton, I'm very sure. And I've also I have went through few stuffs on Myntra, so I'll just link that. I'll share the image over here. So moving on to the fourth purchase, I bought these utility pants. They are too cool, too good, too comfortable, and too stretchy. It's very stretchy material, and they're very comfortable, very lightweight, very good on skin. And I got this in 200 rupees, and that's an amazing deal, I must say. And I'll attach the similar image here, for which I was looking somewhere on Myntra, and they were also providing many utility pants were available of different brands, and ranging from 700, 800 to maybe 2000, 3000 rupees. And I got this in 200, and it's not a bad deal. Has 2 pockets over here. It looks amazing. I would give it 8 out of 10. It's a good purchase, it's a good deal. Moving on to the last but not the least, 5th product, and I hope you like that. Not the least, my 5th purchase is a floral summer dress, and I saw many similar dresses available on Myntra, ranging from 4-5,000 to 4-500 to 1,000 of bucks. And but if you look for any product in 400 to 500 rupees, so it would not be in cotton material, it would be in polyester. On Myntra, I have seen this trend. If you go for low price tops or dresses on Myntra, it would be in polyester. very less or very like if there are any offers and discounts going on, then only you'll get a cotton material with a very good deal. So this was a very good deal in Kamlanagar market. I got this in 250 rupees and it looks amazing. It's floral dress and it has this strap. If you want to dress up, you can just wear a white or black. White and black both are available in this dress. You can see the prints, so you can pair that. So these all were my 5 purchases which I did from Kamlanagar market, and it was an amazing deal. And comparing the stuffs with Myntra, yes, you don't have to go and buy. You can say that you must have a point on this, that online shopping you get that things at your place and you don't need to go anywhere. But if you just go and find and hunt for good stuffs, if you are thirsty for good things, then you must surely visit a nearby market in your city, and I'm very sure you'll find some good stuffs over there as well. So that's all for this video. Let me know which of the product you like the most, and what all products would you want me to do. Like if you have anything in your mind or any website for which you want to compare that website with other market, maybe my next market would be Janpath or Sarojini. I would go and explore there and find few stuffs from there. So comment below and let me know. Thank you. Thanks for supporting. Keep supporting. Have a good day. Bye bye.